how to scan the group and how to post in MPT Care. Okay, first, open MTT UID and we scan the group. Use group scanning function, scan group ID. First, we select the account here. We save, and you enter the keyword that you want to scan all the groups. For example, I'll enter the keyword clothes. We save, and with every keyword scanned, how many group you could set here. For example, I will set it to 10 group, or you could modify it to 100 group or 200 group as you want. Okay, and then press begin to begin scanning the group. Oh. You okay, you are through all the roofs. The perhaps file and keyword process of here. We press export file and save of your PC for save and to open the file here. Okay, in this file exported from the software, we'll have the keyword you scan, the group ID, and the group name. Okay, and after we have the group ID, open MKT Care. After we have the group ID, which we could have the content to post. In content management, we add the content. First, add category, maybe the post in group, clothes, and we add. Okay, and then we at post, we select the category to save the content, and the type, we choose post, and the post title, maybe post 1, and the content, you enter your content here, and you could also upload media, for example, image or video. You see the note at once to images or 5 video at once. For example, I would choose some image here. Okay, and the maximum post, how many image you could modify it, like if you want to attach 3 image, it's just type 3 image here, and we press save. Okay, and then you want to post in, you enter the post function and post to group functions. And first we interval between 2 account. You could set it to 20 to 50 seconds and switch account on consecutive 3 times. And we select the content that you want to post, and we'll take on love duplicate content, and yeah. And you choose post according to group ID, and a max post per account means each account will post to how many groups. I will set it to 5 group each account, and total post per group, it is the limitation of the number of posts that one account will post in on group. I will send to 1. Okay, and then we enter the group ID here just by copy the group ID that you have scanned, and we click here one ID align, and we press save. Okay, and it's hard to join group if a member means if your account is not the member of the groups, it will automatically join before posting and have the comment after successful post. If you want to comment after you successfully post, you could enter the comment here like inbox me or contact me here. Okay, with a spin structures, and we'll press save, and Okay, when done, you select the category and tick the account you want to run and press start to beginning posting in the group. Okay, so, after you have finished the posting, you could see the post history to see all the link of the post that you have created. Just so.